So the first step of the install was we removed the valve cover, and we did this because with the EGR cooler in here, reaching back to get the hose off of that top fitting was extremely difficult. We'll show you some clips of how we removed that. We basically took off the plastic fitting and removed the hose and held it over so we can have a good angle and getting some pliers on that clamp. But that was about the hardest part. So we do have that OEM hose off. Now we're gonna get onto the OEM fitting with the 7/8. You might need to take a breaker bar to get this started. And it's just a deep socket 7/8. Now we have this OEM fitting off, and we'll get the S&B fitting ready to be installed. Now the first step when installing the S&B piece is we're gonna put a bead of thread sealant on this fitting. Clean it up a bit. Now this is gonna be ready to install with that same 7/8 fitting. Is there a torque spec for this? Step is going to be getting the hose installed onto the fitting at the firewall. And I have my 7mm nut driver ready. First I gotta reach back there and get this pressed on. Silicone hose, make sure the hose clamp is facing the driver's side so you can get your ratchet in from the driver's side and have a good angle on it. And so after that's tightened up, we'll get this hose, press on to the fitting, and we'll tighten down this hose clamp as well. Ready? Yep. Now we're going to put the valve cover back on, get this thing patched up, and it's ready to go. Let us know if you have any questions.